bank of this stream very bad. So we have to quickly get out of this water. Water is very clean. In front of us, it covered with this plastic, black plastic. This is diesel engine. Nowadays, people not cultivating these crops. So we came backside of this village, and now this side I have to go. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now we are in a different village side. So this is very beautiful, and it's a very sunshine, and not only sunshine but windy. And nowadays it is common to see wind blowing. I think with the upcoming weather is spring, so that's why. And as you can see, we are surrounded by this tea garden, and in front of us this is a small stream. Water is not flowing, it is look like very filthy. And over there my friend, he's listening music. I mean, vibe is very good, and very calm. There is no noisy, so peaceful. And let's walk. So I wanted to come here because this is not far, but yes, it is almost we have crossed 10 or more than, I think 10 village we have crossed. Then we come here, and it felt literally amazing. But when we were arriving, we saw, it's literally honestly I'm telling you, we saw many things, and it is so weird. Same we felt in my latest video, that people were staying, but here is quiet, and I didn't expect that we will encounter with many things. So we encountered with many things, many onlookers. They were curious. I mean, they were asking villager that from which village you are and why you have come here. So I wanted to come, but how can I tell him? But I told them already that we just came here to shoot a vlog. So they have no idea. I mean, some people know who is has idea about it, who know, but especially some old men and women, because as I already mentioned that this is not for them old, it is new. Whenever someone talking or vlogging, they see first time, so it is strange for them. So that's why they are confused and curious. Condition, bird is chirping, so very beautiful vibe. And now we are planning to go our village we are planning to go. So we will go, this is zigzag stream, and we will go through this stream, and then we will divert our path, our route, and we have come from this side, but we will change our direction this time, and we will take this route. It is a little bit far away, not close. It is a little bit, not too much, but yes, if we walk a little bit fast, then we will, I think, approach quickly. So yeah, let's go, come. Now let's cross this. Wow, this stream, as you can see, water level very low. Come on. Oh god, I have to uplift my jeans, bro. So water is very chill, very cool, very cool. I can't see any fish, only Moses. What is it is? These are all water plants. Very cool. Very cool. Even my sandals got wet and my even this jeans got dirty. It is muddy, you can see, but here it is very sandy, so it is a little bit good to walk. But the shore, you can see the bank of this stream very bad, so we have to quickly get out of this water. Water is very clean, or else we can get a cold. So yeah, come. Tell me what you will like, guys, to see in my village. There's many things to showcase, but I am not getting idea. This is my problem. But there is abundance to showcase. Honestly, wow. Now this is, oh, it is also tea garden, and over there, as I can see, some mustard plants. Let's go that side. We are heading towards the site. Yes. Oh, diesel pump pipe here. Here,
bro.
and in front of us it covered with this black plastic. This is diesel engine, and people use to water on their crops by this diesel engine. The pack of dog here, lot of, you can see they are looking for food. This is dangerous dogs, and we are exploring only this tea garden. I mean this village side, not only tea garden. Now it's time to depart and divert our path towards our village. It is far, little bit. Come on, my friend. This is village dog, very dangerous. It bite if sees they any single animal. My god, this smell is very bad. I can't bear this odor, it's strange odor. Now let's cross. Pack of dog targeting single goat or sheep, right? So, oh my god, I was just about to fall. You are singing well, bro. So guys, tell me about this plant's name. Nowadays people not cultivating these crops, but earlier people used to, almost in every village. I mean, I'm talking about my area, but nowadays it is barely we see. So tell me about this plant's name if you know, and in your area, in your village, if people do cultivate these crops. Some people coming and we just sit on ground on earthen dike to just take little bit rest. Who are they? Yes, bro, they are saying something. Look at this dry tea plants twig, bunch of twigs over there, they piled up, and next to this lot of tree. Look at this, guys, this is another village site we are exploring right now. We are going towards our village, and it will take I think 20 minutes to get there from here. And yeah, so we came back side of this village, and now this side I have to go for my village. And this is also very beautiful, and yeah, people cultivating, they are walking on their field. And yeah, we have explored, and we have left that stream, that tea gardens far, quite behind, because we are going village, and it is right now 1 o'clock, and we have started our journey at 11 o'clock. So it took 2 hours, and it will take I think 20 minutes to get my village from here. I mean 10 minutes, because it's not far now, it's almost close. So I'm going to end my vlog here, and before I end, I just want to say something, this, that if you have any suggestion, please feel free drop in the comment box, let me know, and which part was your favorite, as well as I would like to know in the comment box also this. And yeah, if you enjoyed my vlog, do like and subscribe. And as you know that I am not good at this, in communication, my English is not good, but yeah, I'm trying to best to express. But yeah, I am not copying or any. This is natural, the way I am speaking, and this is yes, the way I speak. So do like and subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next vlog like this one. And thank you for now. See you very soon in my next one.